Hi friends, welcome to Chennai KC YouTube channel. This is Chennai KC, a teacher of English. In the previous grammar video lesson 16, the noun gender and its exercises. Now I am going to explain a beautiful topic, the noun numbers. Here, nouns can be either singular or plural in number. Once again, I will repeat this sentence. Listen carefully and keep this sentence in your mind. Nouns can be either singular or plural in number. It means singular nouns and plural nouns we have. See first one, singular noun. When we talk about one person or one thing, we can call it a singular noun. Singular noun means when we call about one person or one thing, we can call it a singular noun. For example, boy, girl, man, woman, son, daughter, dog, parrot, kite, night, etc. Next, I am going to tell you plural nouns. Second one, plural noun. When we talk about more than one person or one thing, we can call it a plural noun. Once again, I will tell you this plural noun. When we talk about more than one person or one thing, we can call it a plural noun. For examples, boys, girls, men, women, sons, daughters, dogs, parrots, kites, knives, etc. This is the singular noun and plural nouns definition and examples. Next, how to find out singular nouns and plural nouns. It means we have some rules for making plural nouns. See here, this plural nouns first rule. Rules for making plural nouns. First one, the plural of most of the nouns is formed by adding s to the singular form. Once again, I will tell this rule for making plural nouns. First one, the rule of most of the nouns is formed by adding s to the singular form. Example, book, singular, books, plural. Here dog is a singular, dogs are plural. Day is singular, days are plural. Letter is singular, letters are plural. Tree is singular, trees are plural, etc. Next, I will tell you second rule for making plural nouns. See, nouns ending in a hissing sound, es, hissing sound to the singular nouns. I will tell you this second rule once again. Listen carefully. Nouns ending in a hissing sound, es, to the singular nouns. See here, example, bus. Bus is a singular noun. Buses are plural. Box is a singular, boxes are plural. Bench is a singular, benches are plural noun. Hero is a singular noun, heroes are plural noun. Church is singular noun, churches are plural noun. Next, I am going to tell you third rule for making plural nouns. See this third one, nouns ending in f or fe from their plural by changing into ves, ves. Once again, I will repeat this one. Listen carefully. Nouns ending in f or fe from their plural by changing into ves, ves. See here, example, self is a singular, selves are plural. Knife is a singular, Knives are plural. Loaf is a singular. Lovas is a plural. Thief is a singular. Thieves are plural. Wolf is a singular. Wolves are plural. Here wife is a singular. Wives are plural. Here life is a singular. Lives are plural, and etc. Okay, next I am going to explain fourth rule for making plural nouns. See fourth one, some singular nouns change their middle letters or en or ran may be added to them. Once again I will explain this one, listen carefully. Some singular nouns change their middle letters or en or ren may be added to them. For example, man, men, middle letter, men change, e change, okay, man, men, child, children, women, women, goose, geese, tooth, teeth. Sixth one, ox. Seventh, oxen. Seventh one, foot, plural, feet. Mouse. Eighth one, mouse, plural, mice, etc. Okay, next I am going to explain fifth rule. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. For example, ship, ship, fish, fish, deer, deer, aircraft, aircraft, cod, cod, swain, swain, etc. Next, sixth rule, and see here, if a noun has more than one word, then added s to the main word. I will tell you once again, listen carefully. If a noun has more than one word, then add s to the main word. Father-in-law, fathers-in-law. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Maid servant, maid servants. Armchair, armchairs. Man servant, men servant. Passer-by is a singular, passes-by a plural, etc. Next, seventh one, plurals of pronoun, plurals of pronoun. See here, I singular pronoun, we plural pronoun. Next, you singular pronoun, you plural pronoun. He, she, it singular pronouns, they plural pronoun. Next, fourth one, this is a singular pronoun, these are plural pronoun. Fifth one, that is singular pronoun, those are plural pronouns. Sixth one, myself is a singular pronoun, ourselves are plural pronoun. Seventh one, herself is a singular pronoun, themselves are plural pronoun. Eighth one, itself is a singular pronoun, themselves are plural pronouns, etc. Okay friends, now let us come and do our exercises. First one, give the singular for each of the following. Give the singulars for each of the following. First one, mangoes, mango. Proofs, second one, proofs. Singular, proof. Third one, plural, chiefs. Singular, chief. Fourth one, ears are plural, ear is singular. Fifth one, windows. Windows are plural, window is a singular. Dishes is a plural, dishes are plural, dish is a singular, etc. Next, second, Exercise. See second exercise. Give the plural for each of the following. Give the plural for each of the following. For example, see first one. Bus is a singular. Buses are plural. Wife is a singular. Wives are plural. Leaf is a singular. Leaves are plural. Fourth one, apple is a singular. Apples are plural. Fifth one, match is a singular. Matches are plural. Sixth one, man is a singular. Men is a plural. Seventh one, foot is a singular. Feet are plural. Eighth one, family is a singular. Families are plural, etc. Okay friends, these are the detailed description of the noun number video lesson 17. Next I will explain grammar video lesson 18, the noun case. Please friends, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.